Good day. Alright, the last step on this chain and new sprocket installation is to ensure the master link is riveted correctly. And I'm using my quality RK chain tool. This is the UCT 2100 50 chain cutting and press fit tool. Okay, and then also in the Hayabusa service manual there are specifications for the diameter of this rivet. So ensure it's done to specifications. Should be no worries. Okay, I think that's it then. Just got to put it all back together and take it for a rip. Good project. I saved like probably 5 hours shop labor doing it myself, and no waiting, and I know it's done correctly. Thanks for watching.